Sri Lanka is a beautiful island nation renowned for its rich biodiversity, stunning beaches and lush forests. Sadly, plastic pollution has invaded every corner of our environment, threatening ecosystems and wildlife. Today, plastic pollution stands as one of the most visible environmental challenges and demands urgent attention. Beyond the environment, it also poses serious health risks. Solving the issue is complex, but not impossible. Every year, Sri Lanka generates around 1.5 million tons of plastic waste, from bustling cities to remote rural areas. Unfortunately, plastic waste management has been highly inefficient. It's estimated globally that less than 10% of plastic is recycled, leading to mounting garbage piles across the planet. In Sri Lanka, PET bottles are downcycled into household plastic products. The lack of proper waste management infrastructure, weak enforcement of policies, and neglect of environmental laws have all contributed to this growing crisis. Sri Lanka has over 300 open dumping sites at the moment, and plastics are a major part of it. White pollution is a significant problem, especially in developing countries, due to the persistent and non-biodegradable nature of these materials. Plastic pollution significantly harms our marine ecosystems. Sea turtles, fish and birds often mistake plastic for food, leading to internal injuries and death. Experts estimate that around 8 million tons of plastic enter the ocean each year. This not only threatens marine life, but also affects fish stocks and the livelihoods of coastal communities. Plastic breaks down into microplastics, which enter the human body through food and water. Shockingly, 13,000 different chemicals are used in plastic production. Of these, more than 3,200 are flagged as hazardous and pose risks to human health and the environment, whereas only 7,000 have been studied for their toxicity. Not enough is known about the remaining chemicals to categorize them as concerning or not. In 2022, a resolution titled "End Plastic Pollution towards an international legally binding instrument was introduced at the 5th session of the United Nations Environment Assembly. Negotiations are currently underway for the world's first global plastic treaty. As global momentum builds, Sri Lanka must act now. Extended producer responsibility is one of the key topics under the discussion at plastic treaty negotiations. Although the idea of extended producer responsibility was introduced years ago, we have yet to fully implement it as a nation. EPR shifts the responsibility for the collection, safe disposal or recycling of products and packaging onto manufacturers, importers and brand owners, not consumers or local governments. This model encourages innovation in packaging, reduces environmental impacts and supports circular economy. EPR has already proven effective in countries like Germany, Japan, Canada and France. While reducing plastic consumption is the most suitable option, EPR helps manage what is already being produced, especially since 100% recycling of plastic waste is not yet possible. Through the proper implementation of EPR, Sri Lanka can significantly improve its plastic waste management systems across the country. This transition requires collaboration. Manufacturers must adopt eco-friendly packaging and embrace innovation. The government must create strong enforcement mechanisms. Consumers must play their part in proper plastic disposal. The government alone cannot realize EPR. Community participation is critical. Public awareness, responsible behavior and active involvement are essential for success. The benefits of EPR for Sri Lanka are immense. A cleaner environment, reduced pollution, healthier communities, sustainable lifestyles and long-term economic gains. Let's come together to make EPR a reality in Sri Lanka. The time to act is now.